Students, you know that there is air all around us. Okay, so this envelope of air is known as what? Atmosphere. Okay, so children, as you know that the air which is surrounding us, yes, so this envelope of air which is surrounded us, that we known as what? Atmosphere. Okay, so that atmospheric air extends up to many kilometers above the surface of the air earth. Yes, so the pressure exerted by this air is known as what? Atmospheric pressure. So students, the atmospheric air is extends up to many kilometers above the surface of the earth. Okay, so this extended pressure, that is extended air, this extended air is the that is the pressure which is exerted by this air. So this what we are called, so the pressure which is exerted by this air, which is known as what? Atmospheric pressure. So students, as we know that pressure is force per unit area. Okay, what do you mean by pressure is here? Pressure is nothing but the force per unit area. Okay, so this is the force, it comes here. So the pressure which is nothing but force by unit area. So this is what, students? The pressure is nothing but what? Force per unit area. So if we imagine a unit area and a very long cylinder standing on it filled with air, then the force of gravity on the air is this, the cylinder in the atmospheric pressure. Okay, so the atmospheric pressure is the force of gravity on air in a column of a unit area. So but now a large or a small is the small atmospheric pressure. That is, let us get an idea about this magnitude. Okay, so children, take a good, there is the activity is here, take a good quality rubber sucker. Yes, so it looks like a small rubber cup. Okay, so in this figure you can see this what? The rubber sucker. So press it hard on a smooth plain surface. So does it stick on the surface? Now let us try to pull it off the surface. Can you do it? Yes. So when you press the sucker, most of the air between its cup and the surface escape out. The sucker sticks to the surface because the pressure of the atmosphere acts on it. So to pull the sucker off the surface, the applied force should be larger to overcome the atmospheric pressure. So this activity might give you an idea about the magnitude of atmospheric pressure. So in fact, it would not be possible for any human being to pull the sucker off surface if there were no air at all between the sucker and the surface. So this idea can give you how large the atmospheric pressure is. So the force due to air in a column of the height of the atmosphere and area is nearly equal to the force of gravity on an object of a mass 225 kg. That is what here, the force due to air in a column of the height of the atmosphere and area, that is 50 centimeter into the 15 centimeter. So it is nearly equal to the force of gravity on the object, that is mass. The mass of the object is nothing but what? 225 kg. So that is the reason we are not crushed under this force of gravity, is that the pressure inside our bodies is also equal to the atmospheric pressure and balance the pressure from the outside. Okay, so this is the concept, that is atmospheric pressure is the pressure of air around us, and this atmospheric pressure is due to the weight of the air. Okay, so this pressure is exerted due to the weight of the air. Okay, see the weight of the weight of an air column of the height of the atmosphere and the area 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter is large as what? 1000 kg. Okay, so this is your lesson, that is force and pressure. So in this concept you just understand that the pressure which exerted, how the pressure get exerted in solid, liquid and the gases. See students, in the liquid gases, that is what the liquid exert pressure on the walls of the container, okay, and the liquid exert pressure on the bottom of the container. It depends upon the height of the liquid column, okay, and liquid exert sideway pressure and these liquids exert equal pressure at the same height, okay. So this is what, and next is what, pressure exerted by the gases. So gases exert pressure only on the walls of the container, okay. And next is what, atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is the pressure of air around us, and this atmospheric pressure is due to the weight of the air, okay. So this is your lesson complete. Thank you.